Hello everyone, welcome to Leadshine e-course. In this video, I'm going to introduce the PR function of Leadshine Servo drive. What is the PR function? PR function is a control module in servo drive that controls single-axis motion using internal program. PR functions includes homing, path, position limit, jog and emergency stop. In the PR mode, the drive could locate the accurate position by itself, without high-cost location module or motion controller. General I/O signals or Modbus communication can trigger the accurate positions or other movements. OPR functions will save the resources on the main controller and reduce the equipment cost. Now let me introduce the PR function. Double-click this icon to open Motion Studio. Then connect. Please open the parameters list first. We should modify the control mode to PR mode. So set the parameter P00.01 to 6. Then save parameters. And note that the command pulse count per resolution is 10,000. Now click Driver Reset to restart the driver. We can find the icon of PR Motion in the menu. Click it to open the PR Motion. Now this page is PR Mode Setting page. This option is Control Parameters. This part is Control Configuration. These two options are for mode of triggering the path. Rising Edge Trigger means only CTRG signal rising edge could trigger the path movement. Rising or Falling Edge Trigger means both CTRG signal rising and falling edge could trigger the path movement. Homing after power on means that after power on the driver and enable the motor will execute homing process by itself. This part is used to set the software limit. Ticking this box means enabling the software limit, then set the positive and negative limited positions. This part is for homing setting. First, we can select the homing direction, negative or positive. Next, this feature, move to specified location after homing, means that after motor completes the homing process, then motor will immediately move to the location written in the box automatically. We could select the homing method in the pull-down menu and set the homing speed, acceleration and deceleration. This feature, homing position, means after complete homing process, the motor location will be modified to the value wrote in this box, but the motor rotor won't move. E-stop configuration is used to set the emergency stop deceleration. In Path Parameters page, there are 16 paths. Each path could be set different mode you need, such as position mode, speed mode or homing mode and emergency stop in this pull-down options. If you tick Jump to Path, that means after the current path has been finished, the motor will start another path that you select in this pull-down menu. If not tick the Interruption Prohibited, it stands for that the current path movement will be interrupted even though the current path haven't completed when the another path has been triggered, and motor will run the another path. Overlap means that after the current path position has done, motor will continue running the next path without pause when jump to the selected path. After set the movement mode, then we set the position, speed, acceleration and deceleration in this table. In the manual page, the first part, we could operate the motor manually, set the position, speed and other parameters. We can use this part to adjust the path position. Notice that this feature parameters are the path number 0. This is the monitor of I/O status, input and output I/O, command position and motor current position feedback. Tick Auto Refresh, the data will be updated in real time. Homing button is used to start homing process. Manual homing is used to set current location as home position without movement. This is Emergency Stop button. The buttons below are used to manually trigger each path. They are typically used to test whether the movement meets the equipment's needs. This parameter list contains all PR mode related parameters, and all preceding configurations are fully reflected in this table. After all configurations have been done, press the Save button to save parameters. OK, That's all for the PR mode introduction and configuration. In the next videos, I will demonstrate to use PR mode. Thanks.